How to stop iPhone videos raising brightness. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Display and Text Size. Here, scroll down and go to the Auto Brightness feature at the end. From here, turn off the Auto Brightness switch as shown. Turning off Auto Brightness may affect battery life, energy consumption, and long-term display performance. Following these steps, you can easily stop iPhone videos raising brightness. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.